This is the Messerschmitt Bf109 G-4, built in 1942, with an engine from Daimler-Benz DB605 with a horsepower of 1475. This 109 is exhibited at Technik-Museum Speyer in Germany. Next to the Stuka, the Messerschmitt Bf109 is probably the best known German aircraft from the World War II. From 1936 to 1945, the Bf109 was the standard equipment of the day fighter units and, with around 30,000, the most numerous German aircraft ever built. The specimen exhibited here belongs to a series of over 1,200 Bf109 G4s built and is the only existing Bf109 of the G4 series in the world. Furthermore, this aircraft is one of only two original Bf109s in Germany with a history of service in World War II. The aircraft was built in 1942 in Wiener-Neustadt, Austria, and used by Jagdgeschwader 52 at the Eastern Front, where it suffered engine failure over the Black Sea on March 1942, and the pilot, Lieutenant von Köster, had to ditch it. After 45 years, the aircraft was salvaged in 1987, and the 3-year restoration began in Italy in 1996. In June 2001, the aircraft was returned to Speyer, where Jagdgeschwader 52 had also been based in 1940. Here you can see a rudder of a Bf109 with 220 markings. Unfortunately, there is no description of which aircraft it belongs to and who the pilot was. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video.